Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and updating the Zoom Q2n 4K because firmware fixes USB webcam behavior. Connect with a good USB-C cable. Once done, switch the camera to USB audio/video mode. This exposes its video stream. Make sure your computer recognizes it in the device list. On Windows, use Device Manager. On Mac, use System Information. Also open your Capture or Conferencing app so you can confirm the camera appears as a video source before moving forward. Now connect the camera to your capture software. OBS is reliable because it maps raw USB video to a virtual device. Add the Zoom Q2n 4K as a video capture source, then set resolution and frame rate to match your output. Choose 30 FPS for stability or 60 FPS if your USB bandwidth and computer can handle it. Next, route audio. Either use the camera's USB audio or a separate microphone for better quality. Make sure to disable on-camera recording to prevent conflicts. Finally, in your conferencing app, choose the OBS virtual camera or the Zoom Q2n 4K device directly so your feed appears. Once selected, test audio/video sync and tweak exposure, white balance, or OBS buffering to remove lag. If the camera drops or isn't detected, switch USB ports, try another cable, reinstall drivers, and reboot the computer. These fixes solve most issues. One key troubleshooting tip: reselect the virtual camera after updates or sleep. Apps often lose the virtual device and need a manual refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.